To link your Revolut card to Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your device. Tap the profile icon to access your account settings. Select Linked Banks or Add Bank, then choose Add a Card. Enter your Revolut card details, the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Cash App will send a small test deposit, usually 0.01 cents to $1, to your Revolut account. Check your Revolut transaction history for these micro deposits. Enter the exact amounts in Cash App to verify the link. This process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Use a standard Visa or MasterCard debit card. Virtual cards may need extra steps. Once your Revolut card is linked, understand the limits. Unverified accounts typically have lower limits, around $1,000 weekly. After verification, this can increase to $5,000. Instant transfers from your linked card are usually capped at $1,000 per day. ATM withdrawals via Cash App have their own limits, typically $1,000 per day, and fees around $2.50 per withdrawal. Revolut also has its own ATM withdrawal limits around 400 to 500 euros daily, depending on your plan. Cash App doesn't charge fees for adding or using debit cards, but Revolut may charge currency conversion fees if you're using your card internationally, typically 0.5 to 2.99%. For security, both platforms use tokenization. Revolut's virtual cards offer added privacy, and Cash App uses 3D Secure for online payments.